Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to add and drop primary key and not null constraints of a table using MySQL. So first of all, I will go to this MySQL command and prompt. I will show my tables. Here I have in test database I have 3 tables. So here I am selecting one table, EMP table. Right now it contains 3 rows. When you see the description of the EMP to check the schema, so here you observe if you have any primary key you will get the PRI here. So right now there is no primary key on this table on ID column. Now I want to show how to add the primary key on integer column in employee table. Later I will add how to add the not null constraint on name column. So if you add the not null constraint, the null value it is showing instead of yes, it is showing no. So like that, you need to check whether constraint is exist or not by using the description of your employee table. First of all, I will show how to add the primary key constraint. If you want to add any constraint or if you want to drop any constraint, existing constraint, you need to supposed to use the command called alter. Alter table. Table name is EMP. EMP table name. Now I am adding the constraint. Adding constraint. Constraint. Which constraint? Primary key. On which column you are adding the primary key on ID column. So you need to mention your column name within parentheses and semicolon. Enter. So query is okay. 0 rows affected. So if you check the description of your table again, it is showing PRI on ID column. Okay. And again I am showing the description. I am adding one more constraint, that is not null constraint, on name column. Okay. Alter table EMP. So modify. Here instead of using the add, we use by using modify. Modify, and your column name is name. Modify name, and you use to add the your data type as well. VARCHAR 20 and just give the not null. Okay. Execute this one. So query is okay. Again you can check your description of your employee table. See here. No is appear. Earlier we have yes. Primary key also. So this is how you need to add the primary key and not null constraint for your existing column of your table. Now again I am reversing. I want to drop the primary key and not null on respective columns of your table, of employee table. So for dropping, we use same alter table EMP drop. Just drop primary key. Primary key semicolon and enter. You see 3 rows affected, and if you check the description, there is no PRI here. See here. This is how you need to drop your primary key from the existing column of your table. Now I want to drop the not null as well. So same alter table EMP modify name of the column, that is name, data type of your column varchar with 20, just mention null. Earlier at the time of the giving not I adding not null, you have to mention, you mentioned not null. Now here you have to mention null. Query is okay. Check the description. So here you found earlier we have no, now it is yes. Back to the yes. So this is how you need to add and modify the your by adding for adding any primary key and not null constraints. The only difference is here, if you add the primary key, you're supposed to add alter table, add alter table name, add constraint primary key, and mention your column of your table. This is for adding. I'm adding the primary key. Alter table emp modify name varchar. So here you mention your data type as well, and just give the not null. This is for adding. Now I am writing for deleting, dropping the constraints. Alter table drop again. Check alter table, just drop primary key. Drop primary key. You need not mention name as well. So here alter table modify and just remove the not here. Just mention null. That's all. Very simple, but just without getting any confusion. For adding primary key, you need to mention add and drop for adding and deleting. For adding them not null or and removing not null from the column, from the constraint, you need to just mention the modify. No need to mention any add and drop here. The syntax is different for primary key and not null constraint if you want to add or delete and drop. Hope this video helps to know how to add and how to drop constraints. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.